students, now we continue our activity 3. What is balanced diet? Eating a balanced diet means choosing a wide variety of foods and drinks from all the foods groups. It also means eating certain things in moderation, namely saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, refined sugar, salt, and alcohol. The goal is to take in nutrients you need for health at the recommended levels. So here, what is a balanced diet? Diet with that we easily digested. Which diet we easily digested is a balanced diet. So here, what are calories? Your balanced diet must be planned at your own calorie level, and protein size is key. You want to get the most nutrients for the calories by choosing food with a high nutrients density. Nutrient dense food provide substantial amounts of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories, such as fresh fruit and vegetables, lean meat and fish, and whole grains and beans. Low nutrients dense food have few vitamins but lots of calories, such as candy bars, soda, donuts, and onion rings. Here, what types of foods will you choose to make a balanced diet? Define nutrients dense foods and name 4 items of that group. Define low nutrients dense foods and name 4 items of that group. Okay. I will send you a PDF for 3 questions. What types of food will you choose to make a balanced diet? Nutrients dense food, okay, and define low nutrients dense food. Three questions. I will send you a PDF. Okay. Then in activity 4, here are activity 4. Here activity 4, know yourself. What really matters though is knowing yourself. You need to make responsible eating choices within the context of your preference and lifestyle. What are your goals? Which food groups do you like to eat? Which food groups are missing? Do you eat too much sugar, salt, and fried food? Which foods are the contributors, and what foods can you eat instead? The locus of control rests within you to design the best eating plan for you. Eating healthy takes planning and practice. Keep your balance. Here are food group, right? What are they called? What do they do for you? Where do you find them? So here, carbohydrates, they give you energy. You find them in sugary and starchy foods like potatoes, rice, cereal, pasta, bread, and some fruits and vegetables. Protein, they help your body grow and repair itself. You find them in meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and beans. Fats, they provide energy and help in building. You find them in dairy products, red meats, some poultry, and fish. Fiber, it helps you digest your food. You find fibers in lots of food like cereals, fruits, bread and vegetables. Minerals. Iron is good for the blood. Calcium is good for your bones. Magnesium is good for your nerves. Minerals are in lots of foods but are especially in fresh fruits and vegetables. Vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C, D, E. Vitamins are good for keeping your body healthy. They are good for your skin, bones and teeth. Vitamins are mostly found in dairy products, milk, eggs and butter, fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. Then here activity 5. Study the calorie chart and answer the following question. Calorie chart of Indian food. Item, quantity, calories. Yogurt 1 bowl 100 calories. Buttermilk 1 cup 30 calories. Tender coconut water 1 glass 24 calories. Rice 1 cup 2 calories. Khichdi 1 cup 430. Pulao 2 bowls 358. Vegetable biryani 1 cup 290. Non-veg biryani 1 cup 320. Chapati 2 170. Potato curry 3/4 bowl 131. Dahi vada 2 3 for 3 calories. Idli 3 idli 2 to 9 calories. Masala dosa 192 calories. Coconut chutney 2 tablespoon 1 to 5 calories. Make a list of food items which you eat from breakfast to dinner. Calculate the calories from your list which you eat daily and find the total number of calories. Find the total number of calories which you should eat daily based on your age and your activities and give 3 reasons for that. Right? So you make your table chart and then you find your calorie. Here activity 6. Study the pyramid and answer the question. Food pyramid. A food guide pyramid is a pyramid shaped guide of healthy foods divided into sections to show the recommended intake for each food group. The first food pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. Food pyramid was introduced by the United States Department of Agriculture in the year 1992, was updated in 2005 and then replaced in 2011. Over 25 other countries and organizations have also published food pyramids. Here are food pyramid. See. Fats, oils and sweets used sparingly. Calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12 supplements. Milk, yogurt and cheese group 3 servings. Meat, poultry, fish, dry beans and nut groups 2 servings. Vegetables group 3 servings. Fruit groups 2 servings. Fortified cereals, bread, rice and pasta 6 servings. Okay, here water 8 servings. Here are the question. Name the main food group of each section of the pyramid. Name 3 foods item which you include in your meal from each sections of the pyramid. How many serving of vegetables and fruits should you eat in a day? Why? How many glasses of water you drink in a day? Why should one drink 8 glasses of water a day according to the pyramid? Do you agree with the concept of food pyramid? Arrange a class debate. Okay. This question and these questions I will answer you in a PDF. Okay. here activity 7. Okay guys, in activity 7 we will continue in our next video.